Welcome, crypto enthusiasts. The world of cryptocurrencies is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 is going to be a huge year. But here's the big question. Which cryptocurrencies should you be keeping an eye on to make the most out of the coming revolution? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're unveiling the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. These coins are poised to explode, so let's dive in. The world of crypto is constantly changing. From Bitcoin's historic rise to Ethereum's groundbreaking smart contracts, we've seen digital currencies transform the way we think about money. But what's next? 2025 will likely be a year of huge change, with new tech, projects, and partnerships entering the space. The crypto market is expected to surpass a $2 trillion valuation by 2025. As institutional adoption ramps up and more retail investors jump in, we're going to see some serious action. So which coins are worth keeping your eye on? First up, the king of crypto, Bitcoin. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's digital gold. With institutional investors increasingly backing Bitcoin and the rise of Bitcoin ETFs, the bull run could continue into 2025. Analysts predict that Bitcoin will not only maintain its position as the top coin, but could also hit 150,000 dollars or more per coin. Next, we have Ethereum. With Ethereum 2.0 moving towards full proof of stake, this blockchain is positioning itself as the future of decentralized finance. We're talking faster transactions, reduced energy consumption, and more scalability. The shift to Ethereum 2.0 could see ETH price soar past $10,000 by 2025. Don't overlook Cardano. With a focus on sustainability and scalability, Cardano is one of the most eco-friendly and forward-thinking blockchain platforms out there. Its proof-of-stake model is gaining traction, and its partnerships with governments for blockchain adoption might propel ADA to new heights in 2025. Could we see ADA hit more $10 around by the end of the year? It's possible. Polkadot is built for the future of multi-chain ecosystems. Think about it. Multiple blockchains working together seamlessly. In 2025, Polkadot will be more essential than ever. If interoperability is the key to blockchain's future, DOT is going to be at the heart of it all. Look out for this coin to possibly reach $100 as it becomes more central to blockchain tech. Last but not least, Solana. Known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds, Solana is quickly becoming the go-to blockchain for decentralized apps and NFTs. With the growing ecosystem and new projects being built on Solana, it's only a matter of time before SOL skyrockets. Some predict it could hit $1,000 by 2025. To recap, here are the 5 cryptocurrencies you need to watch in 2025. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, the digital gold. 2. Ethereum, ETH, the smart contract king. 3. Cardano, ADA, the eco-friendly giant. 4th, Polkadot, DOT, blockchain's interoperability solution. 5. Solana, SOL, the speedy blockchain for the future. As we head into 2025, these coins could lead the way in shaping the next phase of the crypto revolution. Make sure to keep these on your radar. Did you enjoy this video? Make sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends in crypto and get insights on how to maximize your crypto gains. Hit the like button, drop a comment below on which coin you're most excited about, and share this video with your friends. The future of crypto is bright, and we're just getting started. Let's make 2025 your year in crypto.